Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Well, this is another class of English grammar which is being conducted on behalf of Satkan Education Services, and in today's class we are going to cover an important topic of English grammar. So let's proceed. So in today's class we are going to cover the last topic of translation, which is of perfect continuous tenses. In today's class, we will cover all the present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and the future perfect continuous tense. We will discuss the format and structure and usage of these tenses, right? So first of all, we have present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used in the situation when something is started in the past and it is still continuing at the present time. So look at the structure. To make it affirmative, what do we use? Subject plus helping verb. Since it is present, so has and have will be used. Been, present participle, object, and time slot will be added. To make the time slot, we use for and since. For is used when the exact time period is known. For example, 2 घंटे, 3 minutes, 15 minutes, 4 years. This is exactly time period, so we use for over here. But if the time period is exactly not known, so we use since. For example, you can say since morning, since last week, since last year, since evening. So आपको नहीं पता कि सुबह से अब तक या शाम से अब तक कितना टाइम गुजर चुका है. So exact time period is not known. So in that situation we will use since. Now see the example. She has been managing the house perfectly since last week. Subject she, has been, helping verb, managing present participle form, the house object, since last week, time slot. Since हमने क्यों यूज किया? क्योंकि last week से अब तक आपको नहीं पता exactly कितना टाइम गुजर चुका है. Now look at the sentences. मैं 2 साल से इस प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रही हूँ. So it will become I have been working on this project for 2 years. I subject, have been helping verb, working present participle form, project object, time slot for 2 years. Now see the next one. वो काफ़ी देर से पौधों को पानी डाल रहा है. Now काफ़ी देर is also not the exact time period, but we use this phrase for a long time. So it will become he has been watering the plants for a long time. Now to make it interrogative, obviously helping verb would come first. क्या वालिद आधे घंटे से अखबार का मुताला कर रहे हैं? So it will become has father been reading the newspaper for half an hour. Now to make it negative, we use not. So it will become क्या वो लोग पिछले महीने से जानवर रख रहे हैं? So they have not been keeping the cattle since last month. वो पिछले महीने से जानवर नहीं रख रहे हैं. So it has become negative one, right? Category of past perfect continuous tense. We use this situation in the situation when something started in the past and continued up until another time in the past. यानी कि कोई चीज़ माजी में शुरू हुई और माजी के कुछ अरसे के बाद उसमें दौरान वो ख़त्म हो गई. So in that situation we use past perfect continuous tense. Here again we use the same time slot. We use for the fixed time period and since for the unknown time period. To make it affirmative, we use the same structure, only there is one change in the helping verb. Since it is past, so had is used. So it will become subject plus helping verb had, been plus present participle form plus object plus time slot. So the example will become she had been managing the house perfectly since last week. Now look at the sentences. वो कल से जासूसी नॉवल पढ़ रही थी. So it will become she had been reading mysterious novel since yesterday. Since subject had been helping verb, reading present participle form, mysterious novel object, since yesterday time slot. Now to make it as interrogative, it will become क्या वालदा 1 घंटे से केक बेक कर रही थी. So it would become had mother been baking cake for an hour. Question mark will be added. Then we have another formation. हम पिछले महीने से पिकनिक प्लान कर रहे थे. So it will become we had been planning picnic since last month. Since last month again time period is exactly not known, so इसलिए हमने since लगाया है. Now to make it negative, not will be added. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? वो आधे घंटे से मश्क हल नहीं कर रहे थे, कर रहा था. He had not been solving exercise for half an hour. So you can see that to make it negative, not will be added, and to make it interrogative, helping verb comes first, right? The formation of future perfect continuous tense. We use future perfect continuous tense when something have to be done in future, and we give the time slot that by this time this work would have been completed. So to make it affirmative, would we use subject, helping verb, since it is future, so will, shall, have, been plus present participle form, object, and the same time slot will be added. Again, there will be the same function of the time slot. For and since. For would be used for the fixed time period, and since would be used for the unfixed time period. So it will become she will have been managing the house perfectly for a week. For a week, since it is known time period, so we have used for over here. Now look at the sentences. तुम आधे घंटे से बस का इंतजार कर रहे होगे. So it will become you will have been waiting for the bus for half an hour. You subject will have helping verb, been helping verb, waiting present participle, the bus object for half an hour time slot. Now look at interrogative formation. क्या वो 1 घंटे से सफाई कर रही होगी? So it will become will she have been cleaning the room for 1 hour. You can also notify this thing that Urdu formation in तमाम sentence की continuous form की तरह जैसे future continuous था, but there is only one difference कि यहाँ पे time slot हम add कर रहे हैं. So whenever time slot will be added in the formation of कर रहे होगे, जा रहे होगे, खा रहे होगे, सो रहे होगे, when in this formation time slot is added, so you need to remember it that these are the perfect continuous tenses, right? Then see, वालिद 15 मिनट से दरवाजे पे दस्तक दे रहे होंगे. So it will become father will have been knocking at the door for 15 minutes. 15 minutes again, known time period, so we have used for over here. Now you can see the negative formation. वो सुबह से चहलकदमी नहीं कर रहे होंगे. They will not have been walking since morning. Since morning, unknown time period, so we have used since over here. So these were the all formation of the perfect continuous tenses, right? So you will have known the difference of the simple continuous tense and perfect continuous tense, right? Now is the time of assigning the home task. What you need to do is look at the structure first of all carefully, try to understand it again, okay, and then copy down all the work of translation of each tense on separate pages. Means present perfect continuous on the first page, then on the next page past perfect continuous, and on the next page you have to do future perfect continuous, and you have to follow the proper format the way it has been given, so you have to do in the same way, right? Thank you.